Good evening to all of you. Today we are going to see what are the different blocks of microwave test bench. The different blocks are Klystron power supply. This is your Klystron power supply. Klystron mount. Klystron mount. Behind this, the fan is there. So whenever we are switching on this Klystron power supply, there will be a heat generation. So to provide cooling, this fan must be switched on. Isolator, variable attenuator, frequency meter, slotted line. For the slotted line, tunable probe is there. From the tunable probe, there is a provision to connect to VSWR meter, and from the slotted line, this is match termination. So the different blocks are Klystron power supply, Klystron mount, isolator, attenuator. We can vary by varying this knob, frequency meter, slotted line section. Over the slotted line section, tunable probe is there, and this is VSWR meter. Now we will see one by one. Klystron power supply, the front panel is shown here. Meter select switch, modulation. Normally we keep this modulation switch in AM. To find out the reflex klystron characteristics, we use both AM and FM. This is a power switch, main one. This is high tension, off and on. This is the beam voltage knob. It is written here, beam voltage knob. This must be fully anti-clockwise. This is a precaution. Before switching on this Klystron power supply, this is one of the precautions we have to follow. Beam voltage knob, fully anti-clockwise. Reflector voltage, fully clockwise. These two are frequency knobs. AM frequency knob, FM frequency knob. Again, both the knobs deals with amplitude. This is AM amplitude knob, FM amplitude knob. So this is all about Klystron power supply. Here the main thing to note, the beam voltage knob should be fully anti-clockwise, reflector voltage knob fully clockwise, and the remaining AM knobs and all we can keep in mid position. VSWR meter. The VSWR meter, you can see black colored scales on the top, red colored scales on the bottom. Black colored scales on the top, red colored scale on the bottom. The meter selector switch, when it is put to normal position, we read the normal scale reading. When it is put to expand position, we read the expanded reading. So normally we keep in normal position. The range selector switch, starting from 0 dB, 10 dB, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. Normally we keep either in 40 dB position or 50 dB position. This input selector switch, external, and the gain, fine and coarse gain control switches in the mid position. Frequency meter, How to read this frequency meter? There is a vertical line, red colored vertical line, and two curved lines. So when this vertical line is here, this is the reading. So by rotating this will change. So we can directly measure the frequency. This throttle line section fitted with tunable probe. Inside the tunable probe we are having a crystal detector. By moving this knob, again we can change the VSWR reading. The throttle line section can be moved either towards right side, towards left side, or right side. Moving towards left means moving towards generator. Moving towards right means moving towards load. So throttle line section is clearly shown. So when this is moved, we can take reading on the scale fitted over here. Tunable probe, you can see here. So from here we can connect to VSWR meter. So this is fitted over throttle line section. Detector mount, this is used to measure the power available. We need to measure the power available. For example, if I want to measure the power at a given port of a Magic T, there I will connect the detector mount. SS tuner, by changing this position or by changing the depth of the penetration, the VSWR will change. When this is fully in, the VSWR will be more. Movable shots are used to measure the impedance of a device. Match termination as a load. To absorb the power propagated down the waveguide. Variable attenuator to attenuate the signal at a required level. This is E plane T, and we are having H plane T, Magic T and all. In the next session we will see how we can measure the powers available at different ports by using this test bench. Thank you.